The Fruit Adventure. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily. Lily loved fruits. One sunny morning, she decided to go on an adventure to find her favorite fruits. Lily walked to the garden. She saw many trees and plants. First, she saw a red apple on a tree. "I like apples," Lily said, and picked one. Next, she found a yellow banana. "Bananas are yummy," she exclaimed and put it in her basket. Then she saw a bunch of purple grapes. "Grapes are sweet," Lily said happily. As she walked further, she saw an orange on another tree. "I love oranges," she said, and added it to her collection. Finally, Lily found a pear. "Pears are tasty," she said, and picked the pear. Lily was very happy with her fruits. She sat under a big tree and ate her delicious fruits. "Fruits are healthy and tasty," she said with a smile. Questions. What's the name of the little girl in the story? Which fruit did Lily find after the apple? What did Lily say about grapes? Where did Lily sit to eat her fruits?